project. Okay, this is actually gonna be so easy because as we decrease, the intention here is to show at a certain moment just two cars and just one car. For me, the perfect place to show the two cars is right. Let me go down. Let me find out. Okay, these cars are so beautiful and these buttons are so big. So an idea is to keep showing them until, okay, even here, but reducing the font size, or we can even just show two columns. Let's come here to 120 and change that. So let's go to our component, which is the model. Let me open there, and where we have to change is simply here where we define the width. So I'm going to say 1020. I simply want to change the width to be 50%. Let me save and see how that's gonna behave. Let me decrease. Let's decrease. And yeah, here we have two cars only. I think it's better. And let's try to see where we can put just one car. Decrease. It's still possible to see two cars with no problem. Decrease. Let's decrease. Still okay. Okay, I can actually remove here at 700 or here at 720, where I can still see this part of the car right here, the light which is on my left side. Let me go and simply put here 720, and the width is gonna be 100%. Save and see how it's gonna behave. It's still processing. Okay, now okay, this is working. Let me remove this part. Yes, that's it. We can see for other cars still working, and we have made that. It was actually easy. You can decrease. It will always show you one column. Here up you also have one column, so things are working for now. If you want to decrease more, you know what you have to do. Simply go to the inspect and use this option here, so you can decrease. Let me remove this pop-up, and yeah, I think it's okay.